Story number 2, space weather scrambling alien transmissions. Earth's leading alien hunters believe extraterrestrials could be out there. They're just having a hard time getting through to us because it's stormy in space. The organization, which is partly funded by NASA, SETI, has been talking about solar storms and plasma turbulence from nearby stars that could be helping to essentially create signals that aren't narrow enough to be able to reach the Earth. So,
and if we're just not listening, we're not listening for the right stuff.
Well, that's a possibility too. But this article is specifically talking about the fact that even if they were sending us, so let me get a little bit more into it. So, okay. If a signal gets broadened by its own star's environment, it can slip below our detection thresholds, even if it's there, potentially helping explain some of the radio silence we've seen in techno-signature searches, SETI astronomer Vishal Gajjar said. For decades, SETI and other researchers have listened to the heavens for signs of non-human life by trying to identify spikes in frequencies indicating signals it said were unlikely to be produced by natural astrophysical process. The new research, they say, highlights an overlooked complication. Even if an extraterrestrial transmitter produces a perfectly narrow signal, it may not remain narrow enough by the time it leaves its home system to be heard by us because of all the, like, we think of space as being this empty void, but there's all kinds of things that are happening, essentially like this stormy weather that's happening in space that could basically interfere with that signal to make it not be strong enough to reach us here.
Okay.
Even if that was the attempt. So that was what they were talking about coming out of SETI, which is always interesting.
Yeah.
And that was the weird news.